Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be trying this slide out right here. I made it and it can do a full loop-de-loop. Something I want to mention is the reason why I have one arm is because my left controller died. But yeah, this is what it is. You can do a full loop-de-loop. I tried it and it's crazy. So we're gonna try it out. I had to do some test runs for the loop-de-loop. But I will say, it is better when you have your hand or hands on the slide. So you won't like fling off. Doesn't really make sense because you slide on your butt, but trust me. The reason why I'm not using the camera, the live camera thing, the live camera thing, is because I don't want the blocks to unload. That would be unfortunate. But look, guys, a full loop-de-loop. You just have to do it good. But if you manage to do it right, like it would be so cool. One thing I'm going to do is fix the fan. That way it will slide better. Okay, then we're going to do it. I made this all with one arm. Believe it or not. All of this with just one arm. You can skip the video to see me go through the loop, but we're just gonna climb up here, then just whee. It's really hard to do, I will say that. The slide, but it's kind of hard to do, but if you manage to do it right, can do it full. I did it once, and since I'm recording videos, make me look like an idiot. I didn't build the rest of it. I didn't build that stuff, but I did build the slide and loop part. Look, see, I almost did it there. The short way would just be to... Look, see, I just did that time. It's really, really cool. And, yeah. I'm gonna make the code to James. What is going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you guys can join this code and play it with me. You can experience it. And that's it.